think we need more lighting. Damn, that's really bright now. I got 3 big ass lights. I'm only trying to do 1. But God damn, I'm blind. I'm getting blind. Quick rundown what we're gonna do today. Today we are going to be working on the Honda Civic, of course, by the video of this title, but we're also going to be, we're gonna be lowering it. We're gonna be lowering the Civic, but we're not gonna be lowering it too much because the wheels I have for it, they're not ready. 2 of them could be ready, but the other 2 need tires. The wheels that I got for them, I have them, they're right over there. They should be, they look good, they look awesome, they look great. I'm excited to put those bad boys on. But right now it's sitting on like 17s, I believe. So we're gonna put the coils and see how much we're gonna drop it. Now, this Civic right here, it's gonna be cheap. I'm gonna go cheap on it. I'm not throwing no crazy money into this, nothing crazy, no. This is not because I'm on a budget. This is not because I'm trying to build the world's cheapest Civic. This is not because this is not another budget build. No, this is just because I don't want to throw money in it. And I'm throwing very little money because I really don't want to spend that much on this car. Not unless I get to the point where I'm like, all right, let's start throwing money into it. Then I will begin throwing good parts that are quality and great. But for now, I am literally just doing this for the fun, just to have fun with this car. I feel like day to day, everybody has day to day. We kind of get like, we forget to have some fun, and this is the car that I want to have some fun with. I just want to do whatever I want to, however I want to it. I don't care if I destroy it, run it down to the ground, like I've done many times with many cars before. I just want to have some fun with it. Like I said, they're very cheap coils. They're, and I know there can be a controversy between those because people will be like, oh, you shouldn't like go shitty on parts because this can happen and that can happen. But this is just literally a daily driver. I don't think daily driving is enough to really damage anything crazy on this car, or even like, I don't know, people are crazy. But anyways, enough yapping. Let's pull out everything and then show you guys how that goes. Live with your nuts, not your back. This is the Max, I don't know, it's Max Petting, Max Pedo, Max Petting, Max Petting, Max Petting. There's no S though, Max Petting. All right, Max Petting rods, you guys. These are cheap, very cheap coilovers. I got these for coilovers and the coal camber bullshit. I got it for like 300, 3 to 4. So I got it really, really freaking cheap. They feel solid. Like they legit feel solid. They have some weight to it. How will they ride? I don't know. Maybe we can see at the end of this video. I really didn't want to do this on 17 because it's way too tall, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Get this out of here. Get it out of here. Get it out of here. Before we even continue on, let me show you guys the wheels that are going on this. Let me show you the wheels. Hold on. I'm gonna move this to the side, and it's gonna look dope. And you guys are gonna be like, whoa, that is freaking sick. Let me like do like a little reveal. I'll put it like that for now. If y'all can like guess the wheel down below before I reveal it, or like watch ahead and then go back and guess it, put the comment before and act like you did it, like you didn't see the real wheel before you put your comment. Check it out. Can I get a drum roll, please? These are the God damn, I forgot the names. Oh my God, Steelies, Diamond Steelies. Let's put it up like up against the car, see how it's gonna like potentially look and whatnot. Damn, imagine that, that's gonna look sick. Imagine that, so I'm looking at it through the camera because it looks like you can see it better through the camera, like how it'll, than in person. Damn, that gonna look sick. Imagine that like dumped, just pow. Let's get the show on the road. I think the front's gonna be a little bit easier than the back. All around it should be easy. It's a Honda Civic, eh? Put it under low. And I think the tires and wheels might rub for sure. It looks pretty cool though. Finish. Where am I? Gotta get lower in frame now since we're low. So it's gonna rub for sure. I'm hitting here. So I'm gonna rub. I'm gonna rub. You know, I'm just low like that. You know, I live the low life. But we're gonna do the rest. Maybe because the front is so high up, it's like, you know, it's like more putting down pressure like that. So once it levels out, it'll go like that. So it'll rub not as much. But the car isn't being, dang, gotta come back in frame. But the car isn't being dailied yet. So for sure, we should be good for right now. At least get it in and out. We gotta come in here because it's so freaking low. Let's start the back. All right, so here it is. Not at its lowest, but where it's gonna be at for right now. I'm hoping I'm able to move it around because I just need to get it in and out of here. So we're gonna go do that. We're gonna go take a test drive, see how it rubs. I'm still not gonna daily it because it's not ready yet. It's not ready yet, bro. So let's go ahead and grab our stuff and grab our things, and we're just gonna go around the facility. No crazy, you know? Let's go check it out. Woo! All right, people. Let's see how this goes. The cool thing is it's automatic, and I can hold everything with one hand. So far, no rubbing of any sorts, but oh shit, I'm hella close to the wall. Oh shit. Alright, I'm rubbing somewhere. I'm rubbing something. This homie's over here for. Ooh! Ooh! Yep, we rubbing. We rubbing. Okay. All right, guys. So unfortunately, my mics died right here, and basically, I just went on a little test drive to see what's up. I think I put the camera down right here because I saw somebody and I didn't want to think I was recording them. But it rode good. It rode how you would expect it to ride. Right here, I thought I was gonna hit these little speed bumps. Still not low enough. You know, you get low and you think you're scraping all over the floor, hitting everything. No, that's not what it is. But you guys know what it is with coming with like how it's gonna ride. Cheap quality coils and whatnot. Cheap ride. Yo, good thing I noticed my microphones died. The microphone literally died and I recorded it. I was about to head out. Honda Civic at its lowest. Right now, these are gonna be 15s pretty soon. They're at 17s right now, which is pretty high. They're the wheels, they're wider. They're sitting on 205s. I'm gonna get 195s for those. So right now they're sitting on 17s. I'm gonna slap those on sometime soon. Even maybe test fit them to see how it goes in the front. It's gonna be wide. It's for sure gonna be out. So we gotta get those fenders pulled for sure. So I'm really excited how this car has, I'm really excited what's gonna happen with this car. No budget build, no nothing, like no, there's literally, I can spend money on this car. But the reason is I'm not, is because I don't want to spend a lot of money on this car. I'm spending money on the S2000. I'm just going cheap with it. That's why I bought cheap stuff, cheap. I don't give a fuck. I'm doing cheap because I don't want to spend a lot of money on this car right now. Maybe in the future, if I decide to spend and start throwing money on this and really building it really dope, it'll be pretty cool. So far, I spent $850 on this car. That including the repairs and all that bullshit. That's including wheels too. That's including all of the lowering kit and everything that I got today. That's all I've spent. I spent no more, so which is really cool. I'm gonna have some fun with it pretty soon. I gotta get 2 tires for the other wheels. I got 4 in total. I got 4 tires. Slap those babies on, and then get those fenders pulled, and then slap those tires on, and try to get those boys sitting nice. We're gonna have like hella camber, like, you know what I'm saying? So that's a lot. That's a lot, anyways. What more can I say? Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.